Hi, boys and girls. I want to read you another story. And this one is about a train. It's called the Goodnight Train. Look at that train. It has people on it, but it has animals. It has a dog as the conductor of the train. That's the person who drives it. Let's see what the story's about. Oh, let's see who wrote it first. It's June Sobel, that's the author, wrote the words, remember? And the illustrator is Laurie Huliska Bathe. Let's see. Oh, there's a moon. Do you think a train goes around a moon? Something really interesting happened this weekend. We had a spaceship go up into the outer atmosphere around the Earth and docked with another station up there. I don't know if you got a chance to see it, but if you didn't, ask your mommy to look it up or daddy to look it up on YouTube, and you get to see the rocket leave the Earth, and then you get to see the astronauts inside of it. It was very exciting. The Goodnight Train gets set to roll. It's being shined and filled with coal. Oh. This train runs off of coal. Wash the car off with a hose. Scrub the engine's dirty nose. Scrub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dub, toot, toot. Hey, he's washing the nose of the engine. All aboard, the sun is down, the Goodnight Train is leaving town. Find your sleepers, grab your teddy, climb right in, your bed is ready. So people are going to sleep on that train while it takes them somewhere. That's very exciting. I've never slept on a train before, but it sounds like fun. All tucked in, the porter cries, pillows fluffed, now close your eyes. Ooh, ooh. Train's going now. Everybody's sleeping. Wheels are turning, smoke drifts high, painting clouds up in the sky. Huff-a-puff, huff-a-puff, choo-choo. Look at the clouds from the smoke. They do look funny, huh? There's an ice cream cloud. Slumber, lumber up the hill. Cars climb slowly up until. Slumber and lumber rhyme, those two words. I have to hold it back a little bit so I can read the words. Roll the corner, rock the curve, blankets bounce with every swerve. Rocka, 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 shh, shh. Fly through a tunnel, black as ink, in and out before you blink. In other words, very quickly. That's a small tunnel. There's some signs. It says professional bed bug removal, call for estimates, and Dreamland 20 winks ahead. Catch that freight train whizzing past. The Goodnight Train is moving fast. Choo choo! Cars sway on the wooden track. Wheels go click, wheels go clack. Glide across the plain so fast. Gently toss this way and that. Clickety clack, clickety clack, clickety clack. Pushing toward the station's light, cars crawl on with all their might. Chugga, 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 chugga. Sweet dreams ahead, the porter sighs. The tired train can close its eyes. Good night, train. Good night. The end. Look how the pig is holding on so he doesn't fall off. That was a cute book. It was quick, but it was cute. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be sending you a few more books this week. Love you, boys and girls.